Imagine being a high paid cybersecurity professional. If that's something that you're interested in, stick around for the full video because I will uncover 5 ways to help you fast track that. Okay, let's get into it. So I put together a couple things for you to help you fast track that. So first, let's get into it. First, you need to understand what cybersecurity is, and so basically, essentially, it's the reason that cybersecurity is so important is because it's helping companies protect digital assets. And for a company, that is that is your lifeblood. If hackers get access to your proprietary information, it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. And so for you, that's an opportunity for you because you can develop a skill set and you can be a value add and help companies protect that digital asset. That's why that this skill set is in such high demand. Um, of course, you're probably hearing a lot of the recession rumors and things of that nature. If there ever was a job that had potential to be recession proof, uh, this is one of those career fields that companies are going to always need this for now. At least in this present time. And so ultimately, there are no jobs that are no guarantees, but this is a high demand that you should explore if you're interested in it. What is needed? What are some of the key skills required? Well, on the soft skill side, communication, and being a problem solver, as you can imagine. And there's probably others on the technical side, coding, light coding, and ethical hacking as well. Next, it's important to understand that in this space, when you're in tech or any career field, it's important to stay up to speed. It's important to take your craft seriously. And so, in this case, certifications. So, some of the beginning certifications is the CompTIA Security Plus. Next would probably be the Certified Ethical Hacker, and you've probably if you've been doing some research. If not, it's the CISSP, and that's a Certified Information System Security Professional certification. Now, as it relates to the preparation, it's like anything else, ACT, or any other certification for any professional uh, field. You got to put in the work, but there's plenty of resources out there. There's peers that can help you get prepped who may have already passed them, all that good stuff. But so when you get there, there's things out there and resources out there that can help you with that. So you're probably wondering, what are some of the career paths? Some of the career paths include security analyst, pen testers, which is simply a penetration tester, and cybersecurity consultant. And there's probably many others out there. I'm just giving you the high level of what's possible of the career paths. In terms of growth opportunities, it really would depend on which specialization or niche you go down. But what and then what is your projection on where you want to go, and also including leadership roles? You want to go down that path eventually. But in any event, the majority of all these roles are six-figure roles, and if not six figures, pretty close. So even coming in entry level, uh, you will you will be above the average income in America, and that's just a starting point. And so that's a good thing. So on this channel, we focus on those higher paid income skill sets, and it's because that's, in my opinion, that's really important to be able to take care of yourself in this high interest, high inflation economy. So I know you're thinking, okay, but I don't have any experience. I got you. So that's where five, last but not least, five. How do you build experience without a job? Easy. So some of the things that you can do, and we're talking about cybersecurity, but also think about, and maybe there's something else you're interested in, but we're talking about cybersecurity specifically, and it's internships, volunteering. That's valuable. It might not be paid, but it's still valuable experience that will help you um, develop the skills necessary to be attractive in the marketplace. Personal projects is always a good thing that you can do. cybersecurity competitions, hackathons, to name a few. But once you get locked in and once you start networking, you'll learn some of those potential competitions out there. And so the biggest takeaway there is you have to build up your personal portfolio and answer the question, what's in it for an employer? And so the way you do that without the experiences, build up your portfolio, and then you can share that portfolio and tell the story there, because you have to be a good storyteller. But you have to show you doing the work in some shape or fashion. So those are the 5 steps that will help you fast track your journey to 6 figures as a cybersecurity professional. I never said it was going to be easy, but this is a path that is in high demand. It will probably continue to be in high demand for several years to come. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more details about being a cybersecurity professional, click one of the links below. Level Careers. Use the coupon code Ken if you want to do that. But until the next video, peace.